Hello mashaka ino ntoka hambana hamkhensa swin'wana kwa mi joinile haleni ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani. Vito ra mina Mandla Gingirikani wa mashava. Please subscribe to the channel. Do the right thing. And then nangwina maku vuya ku mvona hamkhensa kwa mvuyini ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani. Namthala vulavula hi vanhu manharhu these ones. Mr. Post, Ben Mayengani na Gagash. Kahle ni vulavula hi vona va ri 3. Gagash, Mr. Post na Ben Mayengani. Kuna timhaka ti nga kona la handle, kuna event leyi nga kona very man as you wish. Event leyani yi headline yi rhangela mahlweni hi Makhadzi. This is the event on the 24th of September. Event leyiwani yi humelela le again Arsinga ka chief very singa view kusuhi na le ka Makosha munhu ku tivaka. Yeah, just off section F. Mara issue kuna huwa leyi nga kona mhaka event leyiwani. And sometimes mina loko ni vona ku ri na event ku tlhela ku va ku ri na huwa ni twa nga ri it's good, you know, swi benefita event liya ku ri yi va na a marketing like sweswo hi vulavula hi yona mhaka huwa leyi nga kona. Otherwise hi ta va hi kha hi nga vulavuli hi swona, mara ku na huwa mhaka event leya as you wish, very heritage celebration yi endliwa hi Limpopo Roots Entertainment, right? So lava ngi tivaka Gagash Mashawu yena a rhangelaka swilo leswa na Gagash lowu na hembi. So kuna huwa ya ku kuna swiyimbeleri leswi swi nga ku tlumbetanini, mara swi tala sweswiwani ku swi includiwa na ku includiwa misa lo Gagash i loko complaining la handle iri kuna mhaka la hi ku yena is part of the people who are organizing this event, ne? So uri kuna issue ya ku Mr. Post anga kona ka main event. Mr. Post anga kona ka main event leyi nga mkombelea liwa. He's not there ka this main event, Mr. Post. He's not there. As you can see, this event is headlined by Makhadzi, kuna Ben Mayengani, Sandlen, loko nangta lani bona ku ri na Mandla va va recognize kulani Mtimbani Mansandleni lava nga va mani ani va voni kahle no man Shama Khombo lava nga ba tuka no vona ti MC leta ku nga na ba Khanyipel na van'wana va nkwalani. So Mr. Post anga kona ka event leya ya main yi humela hi 24th September, very heritage celebration. So kuna issue ya ku the reason anga vangi kona ka event leya i mhaka ya ku kuna xiyimbeleri lexi Ben Mayengani xisa lexi karata. Ben Mayengani xi ri hi ku ya hi Gagash Ben Mayengani xi ri a xi nge perform as long as Mr. Post are ka main event. Loko ya ka main event Ben xi ri xona xi nge yi. So kuna wele ene Posa va difakini mara ka this event Mr. Post va difake ka liya ya I think is the activation one loko nga hembi va difakele ka activation Mr. Post loko ngo checka Mr. Post lidiwa kuna Makhadzi as well, kuna Dr. Joshi Rimani, kuna va Cool B, kuna Gingirikani, kuna J John, kuna van'wana MC Gagash na Chavi na van'wana lava nga kona kwalana. So iku Mr. Post apparently loko ku ya hi leswi Gagash anga swi vurisa swona iri loko va twananini aka ti-meeting leta va ri na tona a va lavi Mr. Post ka main event, Ben Mayengani ka main event, a va lavi King Monada ka main event, a va lavi Makhadzi ka main event. Ene swi tikomba nga ri King Monada na Mr. Post a va kona ka main event. Ku humelele yini a hi swi tivi. And then mina ni ku mara kahle lawani ku xota vanhu van'wana. A na mina fini nghenela ni hoxa ra mina rito. N'wina mi twi nga ri ka main event leyi ku ni ti-event ta vanhu munhu un'wana na un'wana endla ti-event ta yena ende i invite vanhu lava a va rhandzaka. Mara loko kuma ku kuna vanhu lava nga ku fambiseni ka minongonoko leya va nga ku hambaneni marito in public the way it is happening, hina swi hi veka ka position yin'wana ku ha swi tivi se ku humelela yini because Gagash vula tin'wana i lava Mr Post loko Mr Post a nga ngheni yena mi nga ha ni katsi ka swilo swa n'wina leswi Gagash a vulaka swona. Lava nga n'wi tiveki Gagash i munhu wo fambisa ti-event Mr Why Not i munhu wo fambisa ti-event, he's an MC and then he's a very influential person ka ti-gigi ta Xitsonga right now, Mr Gagash, gag shit. So Gagash area loko Mr Post ka ngheni ka main event mi nga ha ni katsi ka swilo swa n'wina. So it's like an ultimatum leyi nga kona la ku na nkingha leyikulu hi va lwela phosa vanhu lava se va yisa lava vanhu va ri 3 ku na issue yaleyo ku Mr Post a nga kona ka main event. And then loko ni check in mhaka leyiwa ni twi nga ri it's interesting man. Mina loko ni vona vele I also felt like Mr Post will be in the main event as well. I mean, if event into again, let me put it this way. If event into again ar singa view ka chief ne va ku tiva vanhu va nga ku swinala. Hi ku ya me anta invite Mr Post, Ben Mayengani. The reason I'll do that is because vanhu lava le ku tlangweni vanhu lava rhandiwa swinene na Soli Makam. I'll invite Soli Makam Gingirikani ka main event because vanhu lava nga ku rhandiweni. I'll also invite J John and I'll also have Shama Kombo hi mana vafana. I'll also have who else will I have? Yeah, I think vanhu valava hi lava mina a ni ta tsakela ku va vona va ri ka event loko ku ri ke ni a swi planisiwe swona ku ri vanhu lava vambirhi Mr Post na Ben va ri ka main event a swi nga bihangi mara swi tikombe hi nga ri Ben Mayengani a swi love Mr Post a va ka event ya main la xi performa kona kahle because swi tikombe nga ri hina se swi veka ka position leya ku hi hleketelela ku kahle swi vula ku na mhaka leya a yi humelelini liya xi fike xi pull up kun'wana xi ku xa yi ve le kwini a Merve mhaka leya ya le Merve Ben Mayengani xi ku xona loko xi ku xona ku na double bookings siku leriya xi fane xi ya performa Merve and loko se ni cheka ni kuma ku a Merve ku na Mr Post. Maybe that's why xi nga yangi ene xi kona ka event leya ya As You Wish ya heritage celebration leyi a ka chief Risinga View hi ti 24 September. So lava nga kona kusuhi na kwalani tsumelani kona mi ya vona va Ben Mayengani mara mani ta tsakela ku va ku nghenisiwa na va Soli Makam nyana because vanhu lava va rhandiwa Soli Makam wa rhandiwa guys loko jikajika ndhawini leti ta kuma ku hava munhu loyi ku nga ku tlangeka radio itida va tlanga Beni Mr Post Soli Makam kumbexani va tlanga va Shama Kombo van'wana va vulavula hi va Zozo I'm not sure Ben Mayengani xi ri Mr Post loko a ri kona ka main event a xi and then on the other hand Gagash xi ri loko Mr Post a nga yi xi ri loko Mr Post a nga yi ka main event mi nga ha ni katsi mi nga ha ni katsi ka swilo swa wina. So phosa a ni se za ni ti vona ti vulavula nchumu swo swilo leswi swa mina ni vona ti kha ti dyela nhlampfi phosa ti ku yes swilo yebe hey okay mina mhaka leyi mi vona njhani mhaka leyi nga kona ya As You Wish event leyi nga kona leyi a Cara Lounge ku nga activation na le aka Risinga View ka le ka chief mi vona njhani mhaka leyi ya this event where is called the Road to Magaisa Day yi humelela hi ti 3 liwa 3 September kokani munhu un'wana na un'wana loko ni mile ku ni swi langutini i na right ya ku invite munhu un'wana na un'wana la a n'wi lavaka especially kuma ku masiku lama kuma ku mhaka ya swa le macheleni swa tikanyana as an event organizer ne i tala ku kuma ku i lava sponsor sometimes the sponsors ta vula ku ri mina ni nga ku pfuna hi 15,000 or 20,000 ne mara ni lava i ya buka Soli Makam kumbe ya buka Oscar Makam kumbe famba buka man Flora N'wachau ke hi mali leyi mina 20,000 ni lava man Flora N'wachau ka event You don't have a choice as an organizer. Maybe you can try to negotiate, mara batala ku ba dictator as to who to invite there. But ba sponsor ako. Unless kuma ku event me enter from your pockets, because loko nibona na poster lewan anibona ku na adverts kumbe vanhu lava advertise like big businesses. No, should kumari this event include from the pocket of the organizer. Then it means maga yatimali yatsotsomba, but then shula ku munhu la organizer ku ifana make sure ku ri mali yena yavuya. Itavuya njhani na hikuva vanhu vaya njhani vanhu leni na ka event hikuva vanhu va vona vanhu lava va lava ku va ri kona ka main event kumbe ka whatever event you are doing. Va lava ku vona vanhu lava va rhandzaka vanhu. That's how we can make money. And then yeah, the sponsors are tikona kahle ka event liwa and voni maviti ya ti company tikulu lani leswi hi swi tivisa ku swona loko ra event tikulu wo tshemba ku vanhu lava nga na timali va nga ngheni va nga hoxa xandla ku ri ku bukiwa na Mr Post kumbe xana mali yo shota ku Mr Post xi bukiwa a hi swi tivi. Another thing i ku mina na swi tiva ku Gagash in the past ibe na ku kwetlembetana yena ibe na kwetlembetana lokukulu nyana yena na Ben Mayengani. Ani swi tivi va yibeke kwini ya vona va ri va two. I think maybe they've already smoked a peace pipe, I don't know. And if loko ke na abaza va yilungisa mhaka ya vona, I just feel like it's unfair for Gagash ne ku va xiya na swi tisa ku Gagash a xi xibahi ne a xi xibahi xa munhu xi veka mhaka pa mara to use this guy's Limpopo Roots event to voice or his frustration with a particular kind of artist. If it's about that, we're not sure. Magaya beef leya na Gagash na Ben Mayengani, nah, we don't know. And if he is doing this, a questioner absence ya Mr Post main event based on the fact that he's not in good terms na Beni. It's not fair to use it on top of this event yavano, because event in Limpopo Roots, I understand is also part of these organizers. Mara event at Limpopo Roots, so probably they call the shots in terms of who they want on stage. But at the same time, it would be nice to have Mr Post come main event. It would be very nice to have Mr Post there. I mean, you can't have an event. Mr Post tama Gyan pele. He's always in Gyan. Oswana tama kabona. Ukomeka Joni. Like into ngari leswa mga ngutaka mga isa Kara Lounge. Afana I perform. Mga ngisa ngile Kara Lounge. Kara Lounge aku kuya wa. The artist letting one maybe Papa Rulani, maybe that artist to ambana maybe letting song. I'm ta teka mimgeza Papa Rulani le and mimveka na J John, mimveka na Shama Combo, the artist letting go upcoming. Then you can still have your main act, which is Makazi, because Makazi on her own can pull a crowd. Eventing Umelela with Makazi alone, by the way. Eventing Umela Makazi Shirowan. Makazi is a global star right now. She's been touring the world. I've seen her. She's been performing Canada, Netherlands, Britain, So Imulanga Angaku trending right now. So it will be nice Kukuba Kurna the artist of Mr. Post main event for me. Because I want to actually attend main event. Main event. So I would like to see Mr. Post there. I would also like to see Ben Mayengani there. It would be bad if Ben Mayengani pulls out in a long run. Pressure. Say we've decided to have a Mr. Post event and Benchuk, okay, if you have Mr. Post, I'm not coming. But at the same time, why is it possible another artist in God dictator artist lewan ngai bukan lu ani ayone organizer kuna guys kumshani ningabani khano shisala, isn't it? Benny is doing his own event. I think is fill up something. When is the event been? Refill. He's doing a refill event against Stadium, right? So it will be unfair for other people to come and dictate kuri menga bugule bukan Prince Rangan menga bugulo bukan person farm ngang book Prince Rangan bukan. It will be unfair for other people to come and work hey va dictator va na mavonele ya vona hi ndlela leyo. Swi kahle ku na mavonele mara I feel like if really indeed is true ku beni iti loko Mr. Post over kona yange perform angai I feel like it's very unfair. I mean, Mr. Post also want to make money. I mean, he's also making his own money, Mayengani, you know. But anyway, who knows? Who knows? Who knows? You know, who knows? We don't know. We don't know. We don't know the truth. But I've heard what Gagash said about it. And Gagash went live and talked straight, and he didn't even mince his words. So Gagash Barash said it. So he thought that makarete ka kore la handle kuna makele ya ku Mr. Post na Mayengani na Gagash shiri Mr. Post ilaweka ka main event and Mayengani shiri loko Mr. Post aka main event shona shingeyi ka event. But looking at the influence right now, I don't think even if Mayengani can pull out of this event, standla ku event inga umeli kumbe inga successful, because I mean there's Makadzi there. Right now, everyone wants to change my gear, guys. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Even the activation itself, the big names, George Rimani there, you know, big name there. J. John, Gingirikani, you know. It would be nice to have Gingirikani also on the 24th, because she's not there. Let me check. I think she's not there. No, she's not. Got the main event. Gingirikani, is she there? No, I doubt she's there. But it would be nice to have Gingirikani there. No one could man Mandla. Gingirikani is not in the main event. You know, it would be nice if it's a main event. Isn't it where we now say main event? He take abantu laba ngaku trending kumshana abantu laba bangatayidisela crowd. Gingirikani can bring the crowd. Makadzi can bring the crowd. Mayengani can bring the crowd, and then Mr. Post can bring the crowd, and it will be unfair. It will be unfortunate, actually. Let me not say unfair. It will be unfortunate if Mayengani pulls out, because possibilities are high. It will be very unfair if he pulls out in the last minute, because it can even sabotage this event. Logena pull out now. Mr. Post but why? Why is it? Hey, what does it have to be? Being a dictator. That's the question I have. I'm actually shocked. Another artist can intervene. You will like I should like to pay for man staging. I should like to stage the man. I mean, who's organizing the event? The event, the man. Come on, guys, am I missing something here? You know, any like what Mr. Post to be nice, man. I will be even be happier if Loko Ngena Solima Kamka event Leon. Loko Kongena, I mean G1, come on, G1 in a crowd there, you know. And this to Mishana approaching Pushano maybe car at budget, so maybe car at budget, so maybe. Approaching abatwana the price maybe Juan Shadura Steve mara it would be nice to have Juan there, maybe Juan Shadura mara honestly speaking ka event ya so ya main Juan should be there, you get me, honestly speaking, because right now Juan is on another level, guys, musically. I know kuminan randa Juan randa solimakam, you know, Mackenzie low act amara. Right now musically I think Juan is proving himself to be something else. So it would be nice to have Juan there, you know. So understand when Mshwana Njani hibzeni la handle kuring makali ya as you wish event. Mi bona njani wina, mi tito njani yona 24 September aka Chief Risinga views the main event, and then lekungwani beri kuna activation ya bona. Pela activation event le ya yoko engarina I that, you know, activation now activate malukse yaka main yarsi kaphela se again. So it would be nice to have all of these guys there, guys, honestly speaking. I hope no one pulls out. Actually, I wish Mr. Post can be there, and then I wish Gagash and whoever is championing this event can actually sort out their issues. Mhaka yi va kahle ku twananiwa event yi humelela. Na xona bin Mayengani xi xa karata man. Hi guys, mi khensi loko mi joinile hale ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani. Mina ni ta hela kwala. A leswi tiku mi nga mi swi vonisa ku yini byele laha hansi, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you subscribe. Mi nga sele ndzhaku, mi nga titimeli. Yeah, hi leswi mina a ndzi na tona timhaka ta as you wish events. A ni swi tivi kona mani. Ni ka eka dos sekele nyora am tsezo tora ek as dors sekele nyora am tsezo tora va ngo verile ku tsika swo nda ku dlaya. Mi nga ni dlaya vanhu va hosi. Ni khensile. Salute. Mi nga titimeli.